Today, we talk about...
Hi there, little update. Boom. All right, as I told y'all, little special care package from Goat. Had to pull the trigger. Already regret pulling the trigger early because prices are already dropping, but anyway. It is what it is. Okay, so I told y'all what was coming. The beautiful box, obviously a nice reason to get new shoes because outside the standard box, you really appreciate that kind of stuff. So the recognizable logo from his previous collaborations. I probably should have compared this to the old box, but maybe we will later. Who knows?
I really like this box. I love the box. I wish more stuff came in boxes like this. That's a really dope looking box.
So yeah, Legacy 312 NRG. So when you see NRG, energy may indicate a limited release, but I guess we'll find out. 312 again, Chicago area code for just Don. And authentication ticket. Woo-wee. All right. So let's take a look. Nice plush feel. Dig it. With the Just Don logo. Right. Cool. The Nike strap. I really like that. Cool. Green. This is a very lime green. I love this for summertime. And then the Jumpman with the silver metallic, metal, gray, whatever. Real nice touch. Actually, one thing I really like is this contrast stitching with the lime going across the swoosh. That's real cool. So I dig that. Now, for those that are unaware, he took the Jordan 3 base, which is all this and all this, and he put it on top of a Jordan 1. So he had done previously a Jordan 1 collab for BHM as a charity type of thing, very limited release, and not really like a release to be exact. Then he came out with those Jordan 2s, which everyone loves, including myself. And then now, finally, here's his first signature shoe, which is a hybrid, which, whatever you want to call it. So, with that said, you get the, I forget the exact model that he used. So he has the Jordan 1, the Jordan 3 base, the Jordan 1 high top, and then the strap and these little eyelet pieces came from the Nike Air Force something low, blah, blah, blah. I forget. I'll link it back. Which Jordan actually wore in 1988 very briefly. So Jordan Don C, knowing as much history about Jordan Brand as he does, being a Jordan nut along with his dad, following along the entire Jordan career, it's nice to know that he kind of put all those to the design, which adds to it being more of just one of those run-of-the-mill hybrids that no one really likes. Add that plushness of the leather. I know y'all love that. What else? Love that these are white and that this is white with the contrast of the green. It did come with white laces, but I really think I'm going to leave the greens in there, although I think the white would actually be sick. So we'll see. Let me know if you feel strongly one way or the other. You see, obviously, the embossed Jordan 1 logo with the wings. So in his opinion, growing up seeing Jordan, play fanatically as a kid, he would, what do you call it? In his mind, the Jordan 1 and the Jordan 2 were more of Nike's Jordan models, and the Jordan 3 was truly the first real Jordan. So it's kind of cool that he got to then expand into this. So basically, he's done a Jordan 1 now, a Jordan 2.
So it made sense to go to the 2, and maybe next the 3, the 4, the 5. We might just hit them in a row like
Nice.
that.
That'd be exciting.
Y'all hear me, Jumpman boys?
Yeah. Oh.
And technically, he's done a Jordan 3 now with this base. So I'm sure he's somewhat happy with that. Obviously, the first Jordan model ever with a visible air bubble, so that's cool. And then, yeah, otherwise, this is pretty nice. Man, y'all tripping if y'all don't like this. Look at this. It's basically Jordan 1 with a strap and a little accent of elephant print 3s. Plus the air bubble, plus the Jumpman. Bruh, y'all sleep. So yeah, that's all I wanted to say.
Yo, he just locked my ass, bro.
Yeah, we'll see you in a little. We out.
Peace.